In today's challenging labor market, failing to maintain a streamlined talent acquisition process leads to falling behind your competition. The risk isn't just about missing out on top talent, it also jeopardizes the growth of your organization. Whether your goals are to enhance your current processes or to forge an entirely new system, our talent acquisition audit stands as your strategic ally, allowing for transformative results throughout and beyond your partnership with TalenTrust.
Our talent acquisition audit starts with a comprehensive exploration of your company's retention and recruiting processes, as well as how your current employees are experiencing your organization's culture, all with the objective of closing the gaps within these systems.
We start by gathering information via in-depth anonymous stakeholder interviews, where our expert team analyzes your company data relevant to talent acquisition and gain a strong pulse on the current state and future goals of your business. Once gaps and challenges are identified, TalenTrust spends time compiling expert recommendations addressing the identified gaps within your business processes. We then perform an exhaustive examination of a wide range of company-specific data, including retention and recruitment metrics, onboarding statistics, internal employee engagement levels, benefits, and overarching company initiatives.
As soon as the research, data collection, and analysis are complete, we present our findings along with an in-depth custom workbook of resources and expert recommendations for your company's improvement, including employment branding strategy, including campaign templates, social media specific tips, and overall online presence best practices, internal employee engagement programs, talent acquisition best practices, and usable templates for lead generation, candidate engagement, interviews, and onboarding and new hire roadmaps for success, employee recognition best practices, and recommended internal systems.
Our recommendations are true actionable steps toward positive change, based on the direct feedback from your people. This meticulous approach helps us deliver an authentic and impactful talent acquisition strategy that will revolutionize your organization's future.